Medical office procedure. Telephone call conversation. And etiquette video project.
Good morning. Thank you for calling San Pablo City Medical Center. This is Leah. How can I help you?
Hello, I'd like to schedule an appointment with Dr. Holar.
Of course. Can I have your full name, please?
My name is Ricaline Alvarez.
Thank you, Ms. Ricaline. What type of appointment would you like to schedule? Is this for a routine checkup or is there something specific you'd like to address?
It's for a checkup. I haven't seen Dr. Holar for a while.
Great! Let me check Dr. Holar's availability. Would you prefer a morning or afternoon appointment?
Afternoon would work best for me.
We look forward to seeing you. Have a nice day.
That's all. Thank you. Good morning, Miss Kayla. How are you feeling right now?
Good morning, Doctor. I feel better. Thank you. The medication is helping.
Glad to hear that. Any side effects?
Just a mild headache.
That's normal. It should go away soon. Let's check in again in 2 weeks.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Okay, Miss Kayla. Take care. Thank you.
Good morning, Miss Ivy. It's great to see you today at Medical Center. How are you feeling today?
I'm doing well, but I wanted to ask about ways to improve my overall health.
Of course, I recommend starting with regular exercise. Aim for at least 30 minutes a day. It will help improve your heart health and boost your energy levels. Eating plenty of fruits and vegetables will make a big difference too.
Thanks, Dr. Holar. I'll start working on that.
Hello, this is Kayla from SPC Medical Center. May I speak with Mr. Mike Angelo Holar?
This is Mike Angelo Holar.
Hi, Mr. Holar. I'm calling to remind you of your upcoming appointment with Dr. Rahamento on Tuesday, November 21 at 10:30 a.m. Is scheduled here at SPC Medical Center located at 123 Main Street. Please let me know if you need to reschedule.
Thank you for the reminder. I'll be there.
Welcome. We look forward to seeing you. If you have any question or need to make changes, don't hesitate to call us at 555-123-4567. Have a great day.
Hello? Thank you for calling SPC Medical Center. This is IB. How can I help you?
I have a question on my bill.
Sure. Can I have your name?
Lian Baldabi.
Thank you. What's your question about the bill?
I don't understand the charge.
This charge is for me consultation with the doctor on November 12, 2024. Does that help?
Yes, thanks.
Great. Anything else I can help with?
No, that's it.
Thank you for calling SPC Medical Center. Have a great day.